His Excellency Dr. William Samuel Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, and Rashid Ruto, First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Kithure Kindiki, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of His Excellency, the General Major Evariste Ndayishimiye, President of the Republic of Burundi, that I have the honor to present today to other commitments, and on behalf of the people of the Republic of Burundi, allow me, Express Excellencies, extend my great congratulations to the government and the people of the Republic of Kenya on this remarkable occasion. This event is very important as it represents values that a nation together, freedom, dignity, and the right to shape one's own destiny. On this special day, it is my great pleasure to wish you peace, prosperity, and friendship continue to grow stronger. Once again, congratulations on Independence Day. May the spirit freedom keep us united and strong always. Happy Jamhuri Day. Thank you.